Defamation retrial against the New York Times. Sarah Palin has once again come up short in her long-standing legal battle against the New York Times. On Tuesday, a jury rejected her defamation claims, marking the second time the former Alaska governor has lost in court over this case. This verdict arrived quickly, less than a week after the trial began, and it came 2 years after her initial loss. A federal appeals court had previously ordered a retrial, stating that the judge had made a misstep by dismissing the first case too soon. In response to the outcome, the New York Times expressed gratitude to the jury and underscored a key principle of American journalism. This decision reaffirms an important tenet of American law. Publishers are not liable for honest mistakes, said a Times spokesperson. Palin's team didn't offer an official comment, but she did take to social media shortly after the decision. "Please keep fighting for integrity in media," she posted. "I'll keep asking the press to quit making things up." Still, few were surprised by the result. Both the judge and a jury had ruled against her before, and despite the shifting tides of public trust in media, Palin's arguments didn't manage to sway the court this time either. Palin initially filed her lawsuit back in 2017. It stemmed from an editorial published by the New York Times, which linked her political action committee to the tragic 2011 shooting of Congresswoman Gabby Giffords. The editorial claimed that an ad from Palin's PC placed Giffords and other Democrats under stylized crosshairs, implying political incitement. The Times acknowledged the error and published a correction within 24 hours. They clarified that there was no proven link between the ad and the shooting, but maintained that the overall argument of the editorial stood. This latest courtroom win for the Times comes amid growing legal challenges aimed at news organizations. While former President Trump and other conservatives have voiced support for revisiting the landmark Times versus Sullivan ruling, which protects media outlets from defamation suits brought by public figures, Palin's case didn't succeed in making that dent. In fact, her team missed the window to challenge the legal standard of actual malice, which is central to such cases. Despite mounting pressure on journalism in recent years, the New York Times stood its ground. The outcome of this retrial reinforces a crucial message. Even in an era where the press is often under fire, standing by editorial integrity and correcting mistakes matters.
For full video, click related link below or like and subscribe this channel.